Hey again, guys. Okay, so I'm making this real quick video to show you how to get into this site that I want you to go do some math practice on. And the name of the site is called IXL.com. And it is a really cool site that lets you go in and do some math work, and it will grade it, and I can go in and see how you're doing, but you get to do it on the computer instead of me having to make all these lessons that you've got to write and type on. It's easy to do on the computer. So I'm going to kind of show you how you can get into your IXL site to be able to do it, because it's a little different. So when you go into your assignment and click on the thing, it's going to take you to the internet, and it'll take you right to this site right here. You'll see IXL, and it looks like this. Well, if you'll click right up here at the top where it says sign in, click that, and then you'll be able to put in your username and your password. Look on the picture that I posted on the math site. It's got everybody's username and password. And I know you can see everybody else's, but I really don't think anybody is going to get into your site and do extra math work for you. So I'm not too worried about that. I'm pretty sure they're going to get in and do their own math work. They don't want to go in and do the work for you. So just log into your name. And I'm just going to log in real quick to Hunter's just to show you, because his is the first one on my list here. So I'm just kind of going to show you Hunter's. So I'm logging him in real quick. I'm going to push sign in. Once you log yourself in, it will come up just like this. And you're going to see a star right here where it says 2 skills suggested by your teacher. That means I have given you 2 things to do. So if you click that, you're going to see the 2 things. And oh, if you notice, they're both on telling time. So I want you to do both of these today, but I'm going to kind of show you. So you're going to click whichever one you want to start, and it's going to bring up. Alright, so when you click to go into it, it's going to bring it up and look just like this. And all you'll have to do is read. It says, what time does the clock show? Well, if you read this clock, little hand's the hour hand, read it first, and then the minute hand's pointed at the 12. Ooh, I know this one is 6 o'clock, and then I'm going to push submit. It tells me I did good, so I'm going to try another one. And did you notice that it gave me some points when I got it right? Watch if I get another one right. Ooh, I know this one is 7:30. Oh, apparently it says I didn't hit an answer, it says, so I better go back and try again. It's 7:30. There we go. Oh, and look, it gave me some more points. You're going to keep going until this is going to be like your grade. So I want you to keep playing this game until you get a grade that you're happy with. For example, I've only done 2. I've got a 19. I'm not really happy with a grade that's 19, because that would be an F. A 19 is not a very good grade. Like an 80 is a C. If you're happy with a C, you can stop when you get to 80. Or if you want to go all the way to 100 and get a 100, go ahead. But I'm also going to show you what happens if you miss any. Like this one, if I know this is not really 6 o'clock. If I hit it, watch. Oh, it took some of my points away. It tells me I was incorrect. And it tells me why I was wrong too. Kind of tells me. See, it shows me what's wrong about it. So I could even read and kind of see why I missed it. But I know why I missed it. It wasn't 6 o'clock, it was 6:30. But it took some of my points away. And you can just say got it if you missed any, and it'll let you keep trying. But you're going to keep going until you get to a grade that you're happy with. Because I'm going to go in and I'm going to look at what your grade is, and I'm going to take that grade for the grade book. So you keep going until you get to a grade you're happy with. When you're happy with this one, you're going to go back and do the next one. To go back, you just go up here to the very top. You can't see it on my screen, I'm sorry. You go back to the very top and you just hit the back arrow. Like you go back here. You hit the back arrow and see it took me back where I can go and look at my scores, and I can do the next one now. And when I get done, it will show me my grade beside it, so I'll be able to look and see what grades you guys have, okay? All right. If you have any trouble getting into your IXL and figuring out the assignments, just send me a message and I can chat with you and you can share your screen and I'll show you how to get into what you need to. But I think you'll probably be fine with this. If you follow these instructions, it's going to take you straight in. But you need to do both of the assignments that I've given you. And remember, you're going to keep going until you get to a good grade that you're happy with. If you're happy with a 60, leave it as a 60, but a 60 is an F. I hope you're not happy with a 60. A 93, ooh, that'd be an A. Maybe you'd be happy with a 93. Or an 88. That's a B. That's a pretty good score. So just work until you are happy. And you can go back into these later. If you have worked for a really long time and you're tired and you're done, take a break and go back into it later and keep going. And it'll keep and save where you're at. So you can always get back into it and try again later, okay? Okay. Good luck on your IXL, and I know you're going to do amazing because you guys are pretty good at telling time. Bye, guys.